Hello viewers, today we are going to start new video which is how you can earn money on copy trading. Before starting this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Now we back to our topic, how you can earn money on copy trading. What are difference between conventional trading and copy trading? First of all, let's determine how copy trading differs from conventional trading. The key difference is that trading implies active involvement in the process of performing trades. The trader selects the assets to trade, analyze open positions, stop loss, and take profit. Professional trading is essentially a business of making money from the change in price of assets. Just like businessmen, traders often dedicate all their working time do this, bear all risks and gain benefits. Copy trading is essentially copying the trades of professional traders using the features of special platform. This type of investment first appeared slightly over a decade ago thanks to active development of online trading and social media technology. Copy trading platforms unite traders, managers, and novice traders who act as subscribers and investors. Upon subscription, all traders executed by the manager are copied to a specific part of the investor's capital, either automatically or semi-automatically. Pros and cons of Forex copy trading. The advantage of copying trader or Forex are quite evident for the beginners. Without having special skills and experience, they gain an opportunity to earn as much as the professionals who have decided some years on this work. In addition, modern copy trading platforms are easy to use and at the same time are multifunctional. That allows for flexible regulation or capital distribution among different traders and strategies. Setting risk management criteria using numerous filters to performance analysis. The biggest drawback comes from the very nature of the financial market. High profitable of the managers in the past does not guarantee the same result in the future. Few strategies show the same positive result at any behavior of the market. First is pros and second is cons. Pros is basically show the functional and easy to use platform. Cons basically show the high profitability of the managers in the past does not guarantee the same outcome in the future. Best copy trading platform in 2022. Traders Union experts have compiled at the rating of the top copy trading platforms in 2022. The rating includes the brokers that offer the Forex copy trading service on the property platforms or platforms on third-party providers. The experts used clear criteria when compiling the rating. First is brokers' reliability, second is platform functionality and popularity, third is brokers' trading conditions. Next is why it worth to consider Forex copy trading. As you may have seen, a beginner can cope with the task of choosing trader and starting to copy quite easily. The majority of the Forex copy trading platform for among the top have a similar set of function and you can figure out. Next is best social trading platform providers for brokers. We also offer you to consider the top copy trading platform providers on Forex. The brokers that offer the service can be provided into two categories. The first one includes the brokers who offer traders their property platforms. These are FXTM, RoboForex, InstaForex, and Forex for you. Next is how to start earn money by copying trades. You can follow the algorithm of actions. First is having studied overviews, find a suitable broker and platform for copy trading. Review all important conditions of work. Test the platform using a demo account. Fourth is find several traders to copy. Fifth is if it's work, fund the account for a small amount as first. Control the risk and make changes to the composition of your social investment portfolio from time to time. If you have a good return for a long period of time, over a year, then you can consider increasing your investment limit. Next is, can I lose money in forex copy trading? Yes. Just like with any investment, you can lose money on copy trading by applying strict criteria of risk management, and throughout selecting by copy traders, you are reducing the risk. Next is summary. Copy traders is one of the most popular ways of earning passive income on forex for the novice traders. Low entry threshold and functionality of the platforms will make your entry to the market comparatively easy. Also, the potential of portability at the level of experienced traders certainly attracts many people. However, just like with any investment, you need to prepare yourself that will not be an instant result. There are also financial risks. If you are ready for that, this area of investment is certainly worth trying. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thank you so much.